get yourself more.
There's plenty. You want more milk? You want that? No? Are you done?
Oh. That was so funny. He followed you as soon as you came out the door. It's like, yeah.
You know what that was.
Say cake.
Time for cake.
Why don't you like that bite?
You don't want that one? Okay. You want more milk? Okay.
Oh.
That was good. That was good. Wasn't it?
Yeah.
Now do we want more cake?
There's something
There's
weird
something
about...
this one you don't like. Should we get some more? This better?
You are weird, Ethan.
He goes.
I don't know about you, Ethan.
More milk.
Watch it. Well, he likes cake and milk.
Unless it's got something weird on it, then he'll pass on that bite.
It was that corner piece. He didn't like that corner.
Yum.
Get some more? Yep.
Nom,
That was
nom,
good.
nom, nom.
Oh, Ethan Harley.
You are funny, babe.
More cake? Bella's gonna have some too.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Spill a little for Bella's.
And milk. I'm videoing this.
He knows, cake, and then wash it down with milk, and then you get some more cake. And
Oh, that
wash.
milk looks so
He had
gross.
so much cake to begin with. I think he finally figured out
Yeah, I need some milk here.
to wash that down. How's that?
Oh, that still
Yeah, we'll get a
gross.
fresh glass of milk for me.
Yeah.
That just
They
came
don't
right-
have to get another glass.
Put some in containers for you guys.
Hey, thanks.
Oh, I didn't get much here. Thanks to the
He's
milk.
taking a drink of that milk, and it just,
Yeah.
you watched it just spit it all right back in.
He takes some cake, and then he takes some milk, and then he gets more cake, and
Yeah, Dave, you want to drink that milk?
Oh, I dare you. I'd pay you $5.
You were acting like a tough guy
He's
before.
Ethan's eating his whole
I didn't
cake.
think it was that much of a backwash. But
yeah, it's pretty much.
What did I tell you to? You want to go in your
And then
corner?
there was a piece he wouldn't take the bite of.
Yeah.
And so Uncle Dave puts it on the edge of the plate and then gets a new thing and then he takes a bite.
yeah,
Huh.
it was a corner piece that he. Ooh, that's a big. So, yeah. Need some milk to wash
Yeah,
that down.
he does. He knows exactly how to have cake and milk.
Good job. You know
Yeah,
how to eat
great.
cake.
Awesome.
Didn't have any supper, but
Yeah, right?
what are you doing, Jimmy?
Go is going to spit it back in. Oh, you say cake,
Some
though.
from Bella.
You can say cake.
That was for Bella. Okay. Okay. We're almost done here.
He ate your whole piece of cake.
Except for that piece that you don't like.
Yeah.
Corner.
Yeah, he didn't like
I
that.
don't
corner
know.
piece.
Something about it.
I tried to give it to him 3 times. He wouldn't. He wouldn't take it.
Just stand here and film. Say,
Doing a pretty good job on the milk, too.
Wait, you knew that was going to eventually
Yeah.
go down your shirt.
oh, let it go.
Yeah, you can't drink them like in a recliner there, but you don't want me to let go.
Yeah, he does. No, you're.
He looks down because he knew
Yeah,
you were
he
touching
knows
it.
your hand is there.
Oh, you're so precious.
How's that? My hands are gone.
Blowing bubbles.
Oh, it comes all back out.
That's more cake. What do you think?
No, I'm never gonna get him to bed. That's what I think.
No, because he didn't have supper, but he had cake. I'm sorry.
That's how we roll.
That's what
Stop
he
being
does.
so nervous. It's
That's
can
what
be